from Quiapo to Pilcoa. There.
Quiapo is around Pasay. Very far.
Kaya nga, that's why you
Ride an airplane.
you're using their salary.
No. Paano yung yung
Ay, hindi sa kanya, since you're from Malibay, then you take the extra route.
Lane, paano yung yeah.
Then, sabi niya,
Can I wear the MRT to, ano nga?
from extra to extra tapos
As 164. 164.
164 ba?
164 or 165. Capital 164.
May ganda na ba sa MRT? MRT yung maliit, MRT, LRT, di ba? Yung MRT yung to.
164 ba?
Oo.
ayun na lang. Pag nasa kami sa ko bukas ng gabi, i-text na lang kita para hindi ko alam kung ano.
Kasi ba, kasi ko sa akin, madali lang eh. Pagbaba ko ng high top, lalangarin na lang yun.
Oo nga, sabi yung high top, may daanan talagang Victoria.
Di ba high top to? Di ba ito?
Di ba alam?
Quezon Avenue Station, MRT Station. Dito lang yun.
Hindi ka masyadong ano, no?
Nag-intro na kayo, may yung na ayos na.
If I'll tell the driver to
Drop me.
drop me by...
Keep me in high top.
Ano ka rin eh, no? Keep you something ka rin eh, no? Are they going to drop me by there? Really? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Just me in high top.
Ano ba yung high top? Some kind of a grocery, some kind of
Yung parang
supermarket.
kahit na parang ano lang.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't understand you.
But if you have difficulty, just say EDSA, Quezon Avenue Station.
Okay. Kasi I never ride ano, MRT.